What to eat after a run? As a runner, you might feel extremely hungry after a run. You tend to feel tired as your body's energy reserves get depleted. If you are new to running or have increased your running distance or intensity, it becomes essential to kickstart your body's recovery in order to replenish the depleted body stores and aid in the repair of muscle breakdown. What you eat, when you eat, whether or not you eat immediately after a run, depends on the duration and the intensity of your run. After a shorter or a less intense run that ranges between 30 to 60 minutes, a quick refueling may not be necessary. You will still need a healthy post-run meal, but consuming the same within an hour or two after the run will serve the purpose. Even after longer runs that last more than 90 minutes, it may not be necessary to consume a big meal immediately after a run, as some runners may experience nausea and gastric trouble. In such a scenario, a big meal may cause more distress on the gastrointestinal tract. Hence, consuming a small post-run snack within 20 minutes after finishing a run might be a better option. An ideal post-run snack is 250 to 300 kilocalories that contains both carbohydrates and proteins. A good example for it would be a slice of bread with jam and peanut butter. This can be then followed by a post-run recovery meal 2 hours after the run. This meal should be a healthy combination of proteins and carbs. For your big meals, it is recommended to consume 1 to 1.2 grams of complex carbs per kilogram of body weight and 0.3 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. So for example, if you weigh 70 kilograms, you should consume 70 to 84 grams of carbohydrates and 21 grams of protein. Hence, an ideal post-run meal would consist of grilled chicken with 1.5 cups of cooked brown rice and 100 grams of roasted vegetables. Remember, what you eat is as important as when you eat after a run. Refueling after a run needs to be done mindfully, and overindulgence after a run, whether short or long, should be avoided. Make sure you drink enough water to replenish the fluid loss from the body and have a snack or a meal that is rich in carbohydrates and proteins to maximize your recovery process.